Hi, I'm Deli Dutton, and today I'm making a dice tray. First, I'm starting off with a wooden box frame. Although I've made a dice tray in the past with a dollar store wooden storage box, this time the dollar store didn't have the right size or style, so this particular one was about $5 at a craft store and was meant to be hung on the wall. I had to unscrew the little hook before starting to paint. And my materials this time are acrylics, Posca Paint markers, and felt. First, I'm putting down a base coat of white and covering it with gold. Inside is going to be a pretty shade of blue, which I dry brush a darker gray blue over it to help match the felt that's going to line the inside. To make the felt covering for the floor of the dice tray, I cut a piece of cardboard into the right shape and cut the felt to be a little bit bigger than that, and then cut off the corners so that it will fold flat when you fold over the sides and glue them down. If your felt is on the thicker side, you might also need to cut a square to go in the middle, just so that the floor of the dice tray isn't wobbly or easily crushed. If you have very thin felt, you might not need to worry about that. Also, I started with clear glue, but I ended up needing to use super glue, which was because the felt absorbed the regular clear glue way too quickly. After I got it to fit in fine, I flipped it over to the back side and sketched out the design. Now, while in use, this won't be visible, but I thought it would be cool to be able to display the dice tray like a piece of art. So I am drawing a Kirin, a mythical beast from Asia that is sometimes depicted as horse-like, with horns and scales and flowing manes. It was a little bit of a struggle getting the yellow to go over the pencil marks, but a second coat helped with that. It was actually really nice using Posca on wood. It went down very smoothly and could be blended with a paintbrush. After I finished painting, I ended up spraying it with a clear matte coating, as I was worried about the Poscas getting scuffed. The gray paint that was originally on the frame did not like that at all, so I repainted the sides, which is why the final sides are slightly darker. I think that it looks better though, so it's fine. put in the felt and did a few test rolls. Nat 20! Haha! This was fun to make. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more art. Bye!